Hello amazing students, welcome to GP Effect Academy, where we bring clarity to every concept. Today's physics lesson is all about current electricity, specially designed for you. Let's break it down and make it simple. What is current electricity? Current electricity is the flow of electric charges, that is the electron, through a conductor in a closed path or a complete path. This complete path is what we refer to as the circuit. Now, we have different types of circuits, as you can see. We have the open circuit, the closed circuit, and the short circuit. Now, for the open circuit, we have a cell, the wires, the bulb, and the key. So for this open circuit, you are going to see that the key is opened. That means there is a break in the flow of electron in this circuit. That is why we refer to it as the open circuit. Now, the next one we have here is a closed circuit. This is the part where current flows. Now you can see we have our cell, the wires, the bulb, and the key, the closed key. Now, the last one is the short circuit. So for this short circuit, you can see that this short circuit does not have a load. We still have our closed key, our cell, but it is without a load. Conditions for current to flow. The first thing we need is a source of electrical energy. Here we are going to be using a battery. We also need a closed circuit. Note that I said that the circuit must be closed. Another thing we need are conducting materials. Here we can talk about a copper wire and the likes. And we also need a closed switch. That means the key must be closed. The components of a simple circuit. For us to have a simple circuit, we need our battery, wires, switch, and the bulb. This is our battery. You can see this is a 9-volt battery. We also have our wires. These are wires connected with alligator clips. And we also have our LED bulbs. These are LED bulbs. You are going to be seeing it in the next video. Whether a circuit is open or closed, it can only be connected in two ways, which is the series connection and the parallel connection. So let's look at the features of the series connection. One, current can only flow through a particular path. That means there is only one path for current to flow. Another one is that if one bulb goes off because it is connected in series, all other bulbs also goes off. Now, the last one is that same currents flow throughout the circuit. So you can see these are resistors in series. So you can see we have R1, R2, R3. That means you can see the third one, we said same currents flows through these circuits. So you can see the currents flowing through resistance 1, resistor 2, and resistor 3. Now let's look at some of the characteristics of the parallel connection. The first one, it has multiple paths for current to flow. So you can see the diagram here is flowing through this path, I1, I2, I3. Now, the next one, if one bulb goes up, because there is a current flowing through this circuit, flowing through this path, this will still come up, this bulb will also come up. It's only this I2 that is going to be affected. Now, the last one is that the voltage remains the same across all branches. Time for class task. Number 1, list 2 types of circuit connection. 2, which type of circuit is needed for current to flow to an external load, that can be our bulb. And number 3, which connection keeps a bulb working if one fails. Now that you understand what current is and how it works, if this video helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. I'm Ghaniyat of the GP Effect Academy, where we bring clarity to every concept. See you in the next class. Bye.